Easy infused coconut oil using 7 grams of flour, 1 cup of coconut oil, sunflower lecithin optional with the mason pot kit. Let's unpack it. Everything you need to make a quality craft potent infusion. We're going to start by breaking up our flour. You could grind it, trim, shake, concentrate works too. Put on the lid with the silicone hole, insert the thermometer probe. We're going to put it in the oven 240 degrees for 40 minutes. This will activate that THCA that turns it to THC and will be good for a potent batch. As soon as that is done, you can remove the probe or keep it in. Undo the tab right there, the top of the jar. I'm trying to show you. It looks a little brown. Should have a different coloration there. Add a cup of the oil there. Let's screw the lid back on. We're going to insert the probe again. We're going to put it in the oven for 60 minutes at 190 degrees is the recommended temperature. You could go 190 to 220. We recommend the sweet spot 190 to 200. Hour in after that 60-minute timer is up, give it a nice stir. You don't have to. This is just a nice little part, and I like looking at it. It reminds me of the cosmos when I do that. Put it on for another 60 minutes. So this is 2 hours total. When that timer goes off, you'll be ready to go. I would recommend letting it cool. I had to go somewhere to be real with you, so I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth to help with some of that heat. It's not that hot, but the microfiber cloth can also act as like a hot mitt. Take that lid off, but let's open up that mason puck. Feel free to clean it. We clean everything, but recommend cleaning it before you go at it. The puck perfectly just drops right in there. It's a good feeling every time. And then you're gonna take the press that down, and as you see through the pothole there, it's getting it out. And you're just gonna throw the fine strainer in another glass, or if you bought the OG bundle, you have other jars around, or whatever you're feeling. Just throw the fine strainer on something else. And like I said, this is a little warm. I'd usually let it cool, but we're in a hurry today. We got some stuff to do. So let's just dump it through. And we have our 7 grams of infused coconut oil ready for the whatever you're feeling. You can make anything you want. We have so many 60-second videos. Oh, we're talking cleaning now. Clean it, throw it back in the case if you'd like. I like polishing it up, make it look good. You know, this is how it goes down, guys. I thank you for tuning into this. I hope you enjoyed this. And honestly, the infusion's hitting me pretty hard right now, if you can't tell at the end of this audio. So thank you guys. Thank you, man. Testing this infusions are real out here. Thank you guys for tuning in.